In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your TikTok account on an iPhone or Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then head over to your profile, tap Add menu icon, and then select Settings and Privacy. After that, at the very top, you can easily find Account, and down below here, tap at Deactivate or Delete Account. On the next step, choose whether you would like to deactivate or delete your account. Deactivating your account is temporary process, however, deleting your account is permanent. On the next step, select the reason why you are leaving TikTok, and then hit Add Continue. After that, you will be able to download your TikTok data, so if you would like to save all of your TikTok videos and drafts, just tap right here at Request Download to be able to do that. To continue, we need to check mark that option and hit Continue. On the next step, it says us that our account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. During deactivation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime. Keep in mind that after 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. To continue, tap at that button. And on that final step, you need to enter a 6-digit code that was sent to your phone number attached to that TikTok account. Just enter that code here and then hit Add Delete Account. After that, your account will be deleted. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.